Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We are here for a better future. So let's start this session with some positive thoughts, with some positive vibes. Work hard until lamplight of your study table becomes the spotlight of the stage. तो इतनी मेहनत करो कि जो आपकी स्टडी टेबल की लैम्प लाइट है ना वो स्पॉटलाइट बन जाए एक दिन. Till then, keep working hard. First, okay, Vansh, you are first today. So, let's have our today's schedule. After this session, you will be having your economics session at 7 p.m. with Neha Ma'am. इस क्लास के बाद आपकी इकोनॉमिक्स का क्लास होगी with Neha Ma'am. Hi Pushkar. So this is class 12th accountancy session in which we are going to discuss the first chapter अकाउंटिंग फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म. आज हम कौन सा चैप्टर करने वाले हैं? फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. हमने कल भी सेम चैप्टर किया था एंड टुडे आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू सेम चैप्टर विद सम अदर डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन. So if you want daily updates and notes, what you can do, you can subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce. And also don't forget to like this video and share this. तो अभी जाइए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. Also you can join our official telegram group Vedantu Commerce, जहाँ पर आपको मिलेंगे सारे के सारे notes in the PDF form. So you will be getting all the notes in the PDF form in this group. The link is given in the description box below. नीचे description box में आपको link मिल जाएगा. And the most important thing, if you want to learn from the 10 best teachers of online teaching, if you want to learn from amazing teachers, then you can take the live Pro subscription, then you can take the Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription. In this Pro subscription, we are providing a lot of amazing benefits जो आपके पक्का से मदद करेंगे to score good marks in your boards exam. So the features of this Pro subscription are, we are providing you all the subjects in this Pro subscription, whether it is accounts, economics, maths or business studies. All these subjects are included. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having 5 years of experience. So highly experienced teachers will be teaching you, and all these teachers will work on your areas of improvement, on your weakness. Along with that, we will conduct regular tests for you. We will provide you regular assignment. And this feature is not available on YouTube. So this is the additional feature you will be getting in Pro subscription. Along with that, you will be provided more than 2,000 hours of live online teaching. You can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects. What else you want? Unlimited class dekho, Netflix की तरह. And all these classes will be conducted in English only. सारी की सारी classes होंगी English में. So the actual price of this Pro subscription is 3499 for 1 month. And right now we are providing you flat 20% discount, after which the cost will be only 2799. So आपको कितना पे करना है? Only 2799 for 1 month of 4 subject. तो आपको चारों सब्जेक्ट के लिए only 2799 पे करना है, जो आपकी स्कूल फीस का हाफ है. So guys, what are you waiting for? किसका इंतजार है? बोर्ड्स एग्जाम आ रहे हैं, अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं, तो जल्दी से जाइए, लीजिए प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन at flat 20% discount by using my code C Pro. This is the code which you can use to get 20% discount on Pro subscription. And I would love to teach you all on Pro subscription. Now, let's start this session, accounting for partnership firm. Yesterday also we have discussed the same chapter. Today also we are discussing this chapter, but with different questions. Hi Salbina, how are you? So let's start this session now. Today we will be doing the revision of this chapter and especially P&L appropriation account. So starting with question number 4, 3 questions were already discussed in the previous session of yesterday. कल हम already 3 question कर चुके हैं. You are good. I am also good, Salbina. Revision, yes, Vansh, revision. तो चलिए start करते हैं revision from the 4th question. This is our question for today. ये है हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन. चलिए पढ़ते हैं कि क्या लिखा है क्वेश्चन में. X and Y are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. There are 2 partners. Their ratio is 2:3 with capitals of 2 lakh and 3 lakh. X की कैपिटल कितनी है? 2 lakh. Y की कैपिटल है 3 lakh. On 1st October 2017, 1 अक्टूबर 2017, X and Y granted loan of 80,000 and 40,000 respectively to the firm. 1 अक्टूबर को, on 1st October, both are giving loan to the firm. X is giving 80,000, Y is giving 40,000. In this question, rate of interest is not given. How much interest will be charged on loan? The rate is not given. So by default, in the absence of partnership deed, 6% per annum interest is applicable. अगर कुछ भी mention नहीं है, so 6% interest on loan will be given to the partners. And they have granted the loan on 1st October. So you will calculate the interest for 6 months. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. कितने महीने का interest calculate करेंगे? 6 महीने का. So 80,000 multiplied by 6 upon 100 multiplied by 6 by 12. X को मिलेगा 2400 interest on his loan. Y 40,000 multiplied by 6 upon 100 multiplied by 6 by 12. Y will get 1200 interest on loan. So X को interest देना है 2400, Y को देना है 1200. Now, show the distribution of profit and losses in each of the following alternative cases. Hi Shrenu. So you are required to show the distribution of profit and losses in the following cases. हमें इन वाले cases में क्या दिखानी है? Distribution of profit and loss दिखानी है. So what we are going to prepare now? We will prepare P&L appropriation account. हम क्या बनाने वाले हैं? P&L appropriation account. In the first case, the profit is 21,000. पहले केस में हमारा प्रॉफिट जो है वो है 21,000. So let's prepare P&L appropriation account. By profit 21,000. To interest on X loan 2,400. To interest on Y loan 1,200. The balance will be your divisible profit. 21,000 minus 3,600. The divisible profit is 17,400. Hi Mandeep. The divisible profit is 17,400, which will be distributed in the ratio of 2:3. जो हम बात देंगे पार्टनर्स में 2:3 की रेशियो में. मनदीप, आप गलत कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो. 80,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6% मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6/12 फॉर 6 months. The interest will be 2,400. 80,000 6% for 6 months will be 2,400. So divisible profit आया 17,400, which will be distributed between the partners in the ratio 2:3. So X will get 6,960 and Y will get 10,440 rupees. This is the first case. हमारा प्रॉफिट था 21,000, हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन दिया और जो भी डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट था वो पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. Now coming on to the second case. In the second case, this is the working note. In the second case, the profit is 3,000. अगला जो केस है उसमें प्रॉफिट कितना है? 3,000. So यहाँ पर we will not create P&L appropriation account. We will create P&L adjustment account. We are not creating P&L appropriation account. We are creating P&L adjustment account. हम लोग क्या बना रहे हैं? P&L adjustment account बना रहे हैं because जो interest on loan है that is not appropriation, that is charge. So because interest on loan is a charge, we are not preparing the P&L appropriation account. We are creating P&L adjustment account because this is a charge. So note down your profit. By profit 3,000. By profit 3,000. Mandeep, right now I am not able to take your doubts. If we have sufficient time at the end of the session, you may ask your doubts. If I will take it now, I won't be able to complete this session on time. So you may ask your doubts at the end of the session. So the profits for the year are 3,000. By profit 3,000. Then you will provide interest on loan to the partner. 2x 2,400, 2y 1,200. We have given interest on loan to the partner. After that, you can see that your charge 3,600 is more than the profit. Total interest on loan, total charge is more than the profit. So there will be loss of 600. There will be loss of 600. And this loss will be distributed again between X and Y in the ratio of 2:3. So this is the loss which is distributed between the partners X and Y. हमने लॉस को पार्टनर्स में बांट दिया इन द रेशियो 2:3. So because interest on loan is a charge, we have provided full interest on loan even in the cases of losses. क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन चार्ज है इसीलिए आपको वो पूरा पे करना पड़ेगा चाहे आपको लॉस हो रहा हो. Now coming on to the third case. अब चलते हैं third case पर. The third case is when profits before interest are 5,000. Profits कितने हैं? 5,000. So write down the profit on the credit side. By profit 5,000. Profits are 5,000. Hi Rachit. Then you will provide interest on loan to X and Y. So to interest on X loan 2,400, to interest on Y loan 1,200. दोनों को interest पे किया. 5,000 minus 3,600, your divisible profits are 1,400. 5,000 minus 3,600, your divisible profits are 1,400, which will be again distributed between X and Y in the ratio of 2:3. जो भी डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट या लॉस आएगा उसको फिर से हम पार्टनर्स में बांट देंगे ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में 2:3. सो एक्स को मिला 560, वाई को मिला 840. Now coming on to the last case. The last case is when there are losses before interest of 1400. यहाँ पर profit नहीं है, there is a loss of 1400. So even if there is a loss in the beginning of the year, still you will provide interest on loan because it is charged. चाहे आपको स्टार्टिंग में लॉसेस हुए हैं, प्रॉफिट है ही नहीं, फिर भी हमें पूरा इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन पे करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि दैट इज आवर चार्ज. हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं उसको पे करने के अलावा. सो फर्स्ट write down the losses. To loss, that is 2400. It is 1400. To loss 1400. Then just a minute. Hi Abhyankar, you are late today. Just a minute, guys. So we will solve this question again, this one, because this part is wrong. This part is given wrong. The answer is wrong. So let's go back to the question first. The question is, if the losses before interest for the year amounted to 1400. So I am going to solve this one. This is your P&L adjustment account. There are losses in the beginning of the year. So you will first of all write down the loss. To loss brought down. The loss for the year is 1400. Loss लिखने के बाद we will provide interest to the partners. To interest on X loan, it was 2400. To interest on Y loan, it was 1200. Now the total loss will be 5000. So by loss transfer to X and Y, this will be distributed between X and Y in the ratio 2:3 because their ratio is 2:3. So 2 by 5 to X, that is 2000. 3 by 5 to Y, that is 3000. So this is the total loss, that is 5000. Do the total at the end, 5000 and 5000. So this is your fourth case. Your loss given at the end of the year is 1400. After bringing down the loss, you will provide interest on loan to the partner, and then the total loss will be distributed among the partner in their PSR. So now tell me, is this question clear to everyone that how you will distribute profits in the cases of interest of loan? Is this question clear to all of you? ये क्वेश्चन सबको समझ में आया? So now coming on to our next question. अब चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ एंड दिस इज योर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. दिस इज योर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज लेंथी क्वेश्चन है तो ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो गलतियां हो जाएंगी. तो चलिए क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. सजल एंड काजल are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. सजल एंड काजल दो पार्टनर हैं जिनकी रेशियो है 2:1. 1st April 2017 को their capitals are 50,000 and 40,000. These are the capitals. Prepare P&L appropriation account and partners capital account at the end of the year after considering the following item. We have to prepare P&L appropriation account after considering the following item. So, interest on capital at the rate 5%. 5% of 50,000 will be 2,500 and 5% of 40,000 will be 2,000. Hi Mehak. So, सजल को इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल मिलेगा 2,500, काजल को मिलेगा 2,000. दिस इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ऑफ सजल एंड काजल. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज interest on the loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year, the amount of loan being 30,000. Kajal had given loan to the firm for the whole year. So, इस पे हम क्या पे करेंगे? We will pay interest on loan to the Kajal, that is at the rate 6%. So 30,000 at the rate 6%, it will be 1,800. Interest on loan will be 1,800. Then interest on partners drawing at the rate 6%. Drawings are 10,000 and 8,000. So you will calculate interest on drawing at the on the Sajal drawings and Kajal drawing. So interest on drawing कैसे calculate करेंगे? Drawings 8,000 multiplied by rate upon 100 multiplied by 6/12. By default हमें 6 months की interest on drawing calculate करनी होती है. So 8,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 6/12. Sorry. This is 240. ये किसकी आई? काजल की. This is interest on drawings for Kajal. Similarly, we will calculate interest on drawing of Sajal. After that, the last point is 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to the general reserve. जो 10% profit है वो हमें transfer करना है general reserve में. The net profit for the year ended was 68,460. जो आपका profit है that is 68,460 rupees. So now first of all we will prepare, सबसे पहले we will prepare P&L adjustment account. क्या बनाएंगे? P&L adjustment account because there is one charge. Because there is one charge. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले P&L adjustment बनाएंगे. रचित, please focus on the session because this chapter is very important. So let's prepare P&L adjustment account. This is P&L account or you can call it P&L adjustment account. So the profit for the year is 70,260. You will provide interest on Kajal loan that is 1,800. Interest on Kajal loan is 1,800. How? 30,000 multiplied by 6/100, it will be 1,800. Now the remaining balance, the actual profit that will be transferred to P&L appropriation account is 68,460. you will transfer this profit to the P&L appropriation account. क्योंकि जो interest on loan था, that was a charge. So for that you will create P&L appropriation account. हमने पहले प्रॉफिट लिखा, उसके बाद हमने काजल को उसका इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन पे किया, जो भी बैलेंस आया वो प्रॉफिट हम लोग ट्रांसफर करेंगे P&L appropriation account में. Now let's come to the P&L appropriation account. There is one more alternative method. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग यहाँ P&L appropriation में total profit लिखेंगे. You will write down the total profit here. 70,260. P&L account अगर आपको नहीं बनाना, you don't want to prepare P&L account, that's okay. You can directly prepare P&L appropriation account. Write down the profit by P&L account 70,260. After writing down the profit, subtract your charge, whether it is interest on loan, whether it is manager commission or it is rent. अगर कोई भी चार्ज है तो उसको आप यहां से माइनस कर दोगे. So interest on loan we will subtract from here 1,800. Now the final profit is 68,460. So you can show the calculation here also, or you can prepare P&L account separately. It's on you that which method you want to use. आप P&L account अलग से बनाना चाहते हो, अलग से बना लो. अगर आप इसी में दिखाना चाहते हो तो आप यहाँ पर भी दिखा सकते हो. Now we will provide interest on capital to the partners at the rate 5%. Interest on capital pay करेंगे partners को. सजल 2500, 50,000 उसकी कैपिटल थी. काजल कैपिटल थी 40,000, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल विल बी 2,000. टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज 4,500. टोटल इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इज 4,500. आफ्टर दैट you will take interest on drawing from the partner. You will take interest on drawing from the partner. So interest on drawing we will calculate at 6%. 10,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 6 by 12. Sajal interest on drawing is 300. Similarly, we will calculate for Kajal. 8,000 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 6 by 12. Kajal interest on drawing is 240. So total interest on drawing is 540. Total interest on drawing is 540. In the question, now it is said that question में बोला है that 10% of divisible profit, 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to the reserve. 10% of divisible profit you will transfer to reserve. So now we will calculate divisible profit. अब हम लोग क्या calculate करेंगे? Divisible profit. कैसे calculate करेंगे? 68,460 plus 540 minus 4,500 minus 4,500. So this is your divisible profit. 68,460 plus 540 minus 4,500. Your divisible profit is 64,500. Your divisible profit is 64,500. We will transfer 10% of this to reserve. So 10% of 64,500 will be 6,450 rupees. 6,450 rupees. हमने इसका 10%, we have transferred 10% of this to the reserve. Now again we will calculate the divisible profit. So from this value 64,500, you will subtract reserve. From the divisible profit you will subtract the reserve, and your divisible profits are 58,050 rupees. हमने इस वैल्यू में से माइनस कर दिया ट्रांसफर टू रिजर्व. योर डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट्स आर 58,050 rupees. And this will be distributed between Sajal and Kajal in the ratio of 2:1. जो भी divisible profit आया है वो आप पार्टनर्स में बांट दोगे in their profit sharing ratio 2:1. This is your very important question because यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर टू रिजर्व भी था, यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन भी था. So now tell me, is this question clear to everyone? After that we will prepare partners capital account. We have to prepare partners capital account also in this question. So tell me, is this clear till now? Is this clear to you guys? So now we are going to prepare the partners capital account, in which we will first of all write down the capital. We will prepare now the partners capital account. So format is particular, Sajal and Kajal, particular, Sajal and Kajal. Your left hand side is the debit side, your right hand side is the credit side. So starting with the opening balance, by balance brought down, opening capitals are 50,000 and 40,000. Then we have provided interest on capital to the partner. हमने partner को interest on capital दिया था. By interest on capital 2,500 and 2,000. Then we have also given the profit of P&L appropriation account. So by P&L appropriation account, this is profit 38,700 and 19,350 rupees. 19,350 rupees. On the debit side, you will record interest on drawing and the drawings of the partner. So drawings of Sajal were 10,000, drawings of Kajal were 8,000. These are the drawings of the partner. And interest on drawing that we have calculated is 300 and 200. This is interest on drawing. After recording each and every item, calculate the closing capital, total of credit minus total of debit. The closing capital of Sajal is 80,900. And the closing capital of Kajal is 53,110 rupees. 53,110 rupees. And don't forget to write down the total on both these sides. You will write down the total on both these sides. So this is your capital account. This is the capital account. So with this, our another question is complete. हमारा यहाँ पर question complete होता है, in which we have prepared P&L appropriation and the capital account. Now coming on to the next 6th question. अब चलते हैं अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ, and this is your next question. This is our next question. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. The ratio is 3:1. On 1st April 2017, their capitals were 50,000 and 30,000. The capitals are 50,000 and 30,000. During the year ended 31st March 2018, they earned a net profit of 50,000. Hi MP Gaming, please don't spam the chat box. एक बार हाई हो गया, that's enough. So, जो आपका प्रॉफिट है वो है 50,000. During the partnership, these terms were decided. These all terms are written in the agreement. So, interest on capital is allowed at 6% per annum. A will get commission of 2% on turnover. A will get 2% commission on turnover. So turnover is given in the quotient, that is 3 lakh. So A will get 2% commission of this 3 lakh rupees. Next point, next term is B will get a salary of 500 per month. B will get salary of 500 per month. So you will multiply it by 12. बी को पर महीने की 500 रुपए सैलरी मिलेगी, तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 कर दो टू कैलकुलेट दी पर एनम सैलरी. द लास्ट पॉइंट इज बी विल गेट कमीशन ऑफ 5% on profit. B will get commission of 5% on profit after deduction of all expenses including such commission. B को कमीशन मिलेगी 5% on the profit after subtracting all the expenses. It means you will subtract interest on capital, you will subtract salary, you will subtract A's commission and after his own commission. So you will multiply the profits with 5 upon 105 because it is after such commission, उसकी commission के बाद. After considering the above fact, you are required to prepare P&L appropriation account and partners capital account. हमें क्या बनाना है? P&L appropriation और partners का capital account. So let's prepare the P&L appropriation account. This is your P&L appropriation account. By profits, the profits are 50,000. The profits are 50,000. Then we will provide interest on capital at the rate 6%. Interest on capital at the rate 6%. Capital is, it's only 2-line Vansh. I hope that you guys can manage 2 lines if they are hidden. If there will be more lines, I will do something to that. So, capital of A is 50,000. Capital of B is 30,000. So, 6% of 50,000 will be 3,000 and 6% of 30,000 will be 1,800. So, the total interest on capital is 4,800. This is the total interest on capital. Then we will give salary to B 500 per month. So 500 multiplied by 12, B will get a salary of 6,000. B will get a salary of 6,000. Then we will give commission to the partner. So A will get 2% commission of turnover. A will get 2% commission of turnover. Turnover was 3 lakh. Turnover was 3 lakh. So 3 lakh multiplied by 2%, it is 6,000. 2 lakh, 3 lakh multiplied by 2%, it is 6,000. Hi Anshika. Now this is very important. Calculation of B's commission. Calculation of B's commission. So B will get a commission on the net profit after subtracting all the expenses. So from the profit 50,000, you will subtract all the expenses. So subtract interest on capital 4,800. Subtract salary 6,000. Subtract salary 6,000. Subtract A's commission. Subtract A's commission 6,000. So the profits after all the expenses. Profits after all the expenses is 33,200. This is the profit after all the expenses. 33,200. From the profit 50,000 we have subtracted all the expenses. हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल माइनस किया, बी की सैलरी माइनस करी एंड ए की कमीशन माइनस करी. After subtracting all the commission, we will calculate B's commission on this net profit. You will calculate B's commission on this net profit 33,200. 33,200. The rate of commission is 5%. And he charging such commission, you will write 1,200 multiplied by 105. It is 1580.95, which when rounded off, it will become 1581. Commission B will get 158, B को 1581. Now we have given each appropriation, we have given everything to the partner. So it's time to calculate divisible profit. 50,000 minus all the appropriation. 50,000 minus all the appropriation. The divisible profit is 31,690, which will be distributed between the partner in the profit sharing ratio, that is 3:1. इसको बांट देंगे हम पार्टनर्स में इन द रेशियो 3:1. So these are your profits of A and B. These are the profits finally. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Good evening, Varun. Vansh, what is 1660? हमारे क्वेश्चन में ऐसी कोई भी फिगर नहीं है. Is this clear to all of you? Also required to prepare capital account. हमें capital account भी बनाने हैं. We are required to prepare partners capital account. So now this capital account is A, B, particulars A, B. The opening capitals are 50,000 and 30,000. These are the opening capitals. 50,000 of A and 30,000 of B. After that, we will provide interest on capital. By interest on capital, 3,000 to A, 1,800 to B. Then commission 1,000 to A and 1,581 to B. दोनों को कमीशन दे दी, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दे दिया. Then salary is to be given only to B. Salary is provided only to B. 6,000. The profits of P&L appropriation are. The profits of P&L appropriation are 23,714, 7,905. These are the profits. At the debit side, we will write down the drawings. Drawings given in the question are A 8,000, B 6,000. These are the drawings that are given in the question. After writing down all the appropriation, all the item, after writing all the item, you will calculate the closing balance. We will calculate the closing balances. So total of credit minus total of debit. Total credit minus total debit. Your closing balance of A is 74,714. Your closing balance of B is 41,286. These are the closing balances of A and B. And the end, you will write down the total. At the end, we will write down the total. So this is your partner's capital account. This is your partner's capital account. So is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Hi, Thakur Meher. So I hope that this is clear to all of you. And here we have completed this session. If you guys want more questions of this chapter, if you want to practice more such questions with us, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. In this Pro Subscription, we are providing you all of these amazing benefits that will surely help you to score good marks in your board's exam. So the actual price is 3,499, but we are providing you flat 20% discount, after which you will only have to pay 2,799. तो आपको सिर्फ 2,799 पे करना है for all the 4 subject. So what are you waiting for, guys? जल्दी से जाइए, लीजिए प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन अगर आपको लाने हैं अच्छे मार्क्स in the boards exam. Group Vedantu Commerce. If you want to receive all these notes in the PDF form, the link is given in the description box below. Now stay tuned for the next session. See you all tomorrow at same time 6 p.m. with another chapter, revision of change in profit sharing ratio. तो कल मिलते हैं नए चैप्टर के साथ at 6 p.m. Thank you everyone for watching this session. If you enjoyed this, then do like this video and share this. So see you all tomorrow now. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching this session.